wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Fa idza huyyitum bi tahiyyatin fahayyu bi ahsana minha aw rudduha. Innallaha kana ala kulli shay'in hasiba. Respected audience, teachers and my dear friends, today I stand before you to speak about a topic that holds great significance in Islam, the importance of salam or greetings of peace. Salam, which means peace in Arabic, is not merely a word but a profound gesture and an essential part of our Islamic way of life. In Islam, greeting one another with Assalamu alaikum is not just a social custom but a form of supplication. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you, and the response of alaikum assalam means and peace be upon you too. This exchange is a prayer for peace and well-being, a reminder of the peaceful nature of Islam. The importance of salam is mentioned directly in the Holy Quran. Allah instructs the believers to greet one another with peace. He said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa idha huyyitum bi tahiyyatin fahayyu bi ahsana minha aw rudduha. Innallaha kana ala kulli shay'in hasiba. And when you are greeted with a greeting, greet in return with what is better than it, or at least return it equally. Indeed, Allah is ever over all things and accounted. Surah Nisa chapter number 4, verse number 86. This verse emphasizes that when we receive salam, we should either respond with an equal greeting, or better yet, offer a more generous one. It teaches us that salam fosters goodwill, harmony, and respect within the community. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, placed great emphasis on spreading salam. He said, "La tadkhuluna al-jannata hatta tu'minu, wa la tu'minu hatta tahabbu. Awala adullukum ala shay'in idza fa'altumuhu tahabbtum afshu salama bainakum." You will not enter paradise until you believe, and you will not believe until you love one another. Shall I not tell you something which if you do, you will love one another, spread salam among yourselves. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 54. This hadith highlights how spreading salam promotes brotherhood and love within the Muslim community. It's not just a formality, it's a way to strengthen ties and show care for one another. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, made it clear that Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। এই যে ছাত্রগুলো দেখছেন আপনাদের রত্ন, কত সুন্দর করে বক্তব্য দিন রাত কষ্ট করে পরিশ্রম করে শিখেছেন। খুব আশা ছিল আপনাদের সামনে অনেক দীর্ঘ সুন্দর করে আলোচনা করবে ইনশাআল্লাহ, কিন্তু সময় দিতে